ZVAITWA spokesperson Christopher Mnangagwa has ignited a fresh debate around President Emmerson Mnangagwa's political future, suggesting the party could amend the constitution to allow him to remain in office beyond 2030. Sanabena mashoko bra pankwa ine achinzi na Mnangagwa constitution can be changed for Mnangagwa's sake. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina Mnangagwa modern conscience. Speaking during a press briefing in Harare on Monday, Mnangagwa said the decision lies in the hands of the people and the ruling party, not in Mnangagwa's personal preference. In quotes, we know the president has indicated that he is unwilling to continue beyond 2030, but the constitution comes from the people. We can look at it, Mnangagwa stated. He criticized what he called unnecessary noise around the so-called 2030 agenda and insisted that those supporting Mnangagwa's continued leadership were simply exercising their constitutional rights. It should not be a big issue. Why are you making a lot of noise about the 2030 agenda? The president is working hard, so those who are saying he should stay beyond 2028 are simply exercising their democratic rights, he said. Mnangagwa went further to challenge the president's critics, asking whether they had any valid reasons to oppose Mnangagwa serving beyond his current term. Turning to President's frequent international engagements, Mnangagwa defended them as vital to national development and restoring Zimbabwe's global standing. The president's foreign trips are key to national development and integrity. They are not for leisure, they are for Zimbabwe's progress, he explained. Mnangagwa's remarks comes at a time when speculation is mounting about potential constitutional changes and succession battles within ZANU-PF. Critics say the comments review a broader attempt to lay the groundwork for a possible third term or a lifelong presidency, a move that would likely provoke fierce public and international backlash. Mnangagwa's remarks come at a time when speculation is mounting about the potential constitutional changes and succession battles within ZANU-PF. Critics say the comments review a broader attempt to lay the groundwork for a possible third term or a lifelong presidency, a move that would likely provoke fierce public and international backlash. Tuze mafungulo enyu motudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kuna comment section medu za mafungulo enyu, so unsubscribe or like, check on the bell icon.